Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to install Jenkins on Ubuntu step by step with full practical commands. We'll install Java and add the Jenkins repo, install the Jenkins service, open firewall ports and access the Jenkins dashboard. Now start the practical implementation. We'll go to I will using mobile stream and I have done SSH to our Ubuntu server. Now we'll first I will clear the screen and increase the size. First, what we have to do, we have to make sure that our system is up to date and install Java. So I have already installed the Java, but I will give the command. So first, we'll run the command sudo apt update. So we will make sure the system is up to date and install. We have Java 17, which needs Jenkins to be run. So it will take time. It will depend on your internet speed. Now we'll check the Java version. Java. I have already installed. I will give the command how to install. So I have OpenJDK 17.0.17 version. So you can run the command. You can run sudo apt install OpenJDK 17-JDK. So if you run this command, Java is 17 version will be installed. Sudo, I think spelling mistake. So here you can see Java 17 is already the newest version I have. Now you can check Java version. Now the next step we'll see after installing Java, we'll go to the official Jenkins repository. If we, I will show you. If you type pkg.jenkins, if you go to this here, we are using Ubuntu DBA. Click this and we have to install this all package. So one by one, we'll run all this command in our server, Ubuntu server. So visit pkg.jenkins.debian. So now we'll first run this command. Now we'll add a Jenkins apt repository. So just copy this command again. Now we'll update your local package. I will paste all the steps how I have done, so you don't worry. I will give a step by step implementation, so you can just copy in one go. So it will take time. Now again we'll install the So here what we are doing with the stable Debian repo. So adding official Jenkins APT key and repository. Now we'll install the Jenkins. Sudo apt install Jenkins. This command. Now we'll check the status with the command. First I will clear the screen and check sudo system ctl status Jenkins. Sudo sy system any mistake ctl. Here you can see it's up and running. So we have installed the Jenkins successfully. Now we'll open firewall. If you want to access Jenkins directly on port 8080, we have to open the firewall. So for this, we have to run this command. First we'll clear sudo ufw allow 8080/tcp. So you can see I have already added the rule. So it's keeping the existing rule. Now we'll give command sudo ufw reload. Now firewall is reloaded. So if you want the initial admin password, we'll give this command sudo cat. So don't worry, I will paste all these single commands which I used. So now we have to access from our like from the web browser. So we'll go here and localhost t. So this is not reachable. We have to pass the IP address. So if you see IP ADDR, we have 192.168.1.0.107. So we have to pass this colon 8080. 1 minute, I will show you. So this is my IP address and colon 8080. So now we'll paste the password. This one. Now we'll continue. Here in this way, now you can see we have to install the registered plugin. So this will take time. So in this way, you can install Jenkins. So I will paste all the commands what I have followed. So that's all from this video. We'll see you in the